This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Tom Martin. New construction, under construction, Craftsman style home on pretty lot. Popular Hawthorne floor plan is bright and open. Quality construction will all hardy exterior for easy maintenance. Open great room with vaulted ceilings, built-ins, stone fireplace, wood floors and nice windows. Open dining area also with built-ins and generous sized kitchen with large island. Granite countertops and stainless appliances. Master bedroom with vaulted ceiling, master bath with dual sinks, separate tile shower and tub. Split bedroom plan with 2 additional bedrooms and bath. A powder room and laundry plus a 2-car garage west/opener. Covered front and back porches, sod front lawn, irrigation system, nice level lot. Lovely neighborhood with street lights and pretty entrance, strong developer interest in maintaining a nice neighborhood. Compare the quality and you'll see why families are choosing Meadowcrest. Plans and specs are representative and subject to change.